What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. I am Mia if you are new here, and today I'm going to be showing you some quick and easy ways that you can take Dollar Tree items for your travel hacks and to pack your bags really well. I thought it would be a great idea to show you that because it's a little bit different out of the ordinary than what you will find on Dollar Tree items to use them for. So sit tight and stick around because you're not going to want to miss any one of these little tricks and hacks. And what's more better that you can get it for $1.25 to pack your bags when you are traveling and have everything nice and organized. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up because it really does mean a lot to me. So thank you so much, and let's get into it. Now you guys, if you've seen my latest video, you know that I showed you this hanging travel bag that Dollar Tree has out, which is a completely great find in my opinion. I'm going to show you how I used it for my recent travel with my family, but before I do, I want to show you these plastic compartment boxes that you can also find at Dollar Tree for $1.25. This one here has a little bubble at the top so you can place down little bottles if you wanted, and this is just a completely random showing for you guys. I thought that was super cute to find. But with these compartment boxes, you can use it for many things, one of them being to kind of organize your hair accessories. As you see right here, you can hold so many little hair ties, clips, bows, and things like that. You guys know that I do have a daughter, so I do like to take her hair accessories because I'm always doing her hair, but I think that is super great for that. And if you didn't notice, I did switch those boxes there on you. You can see the difference here. These are both from Dollar Tree, and I like that they give you different versions of this box because you can use these for so many things. Now for me traveling, I'm going to place my makeup items that are in this little pouch inside of here because if something were to leak or anything like that, you just never know. It's much easier to clean in this plastic compartment box, and I can fit much more in here as well, so you can see how nice they look once all nicely packed, and it fits in your bag super nicely because they are nice and compact inside of there, and you can just place it off to the side of your bag or just throw it on top and zipper it up, whatever you want. But I think this is super great to have for your travels and your little road trips and stuff like that. These are super cute, and on my one of my latest videos I did show that you can use this for a first aid kit in your car, so you can DIY a little first aid kit for your car and place it in your glove box for whenever you need it. You never know when an emergency might come up. But you can see in here my bag is all packed and it fits in there super perfect, and this is just a little duffel bag, so imagine a luggage. Now going with the hanging travel bag, you can see here how many compartments it has. It has a bigger one, smaller ones, and even smaller ones there at the top. I'm going to place my whole bottle of body wash down in there, and then I'm going to also place down some face mask and eye creams and stuff like that inside of the smaller ones. Whatever you wish to put inside of here for whenever you are traveling, then feel free to place down in here. I do have that native shampoo, but that is a little bit too big for this, so I am going to place it in a separate smaller bottle, which I think is super great for traveling as well. Now this bottle is not specifically from Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree does carry similar ones that are literally the exact same, but that specific bottle that I placed there is from Five Below, in case you were wondering. Now I'm going to continue packing this up with my essentials, and here I'm just placing down personal items, and you can see it just closes up really nicely. And what I love most about this, my friend, is that you can roll it up and you can tie it so that way nothing falls out, even though it has the zippers, but you can pack it up nicely inside of your luggage, inside of your duffel bag, wherever you want to place it. And that's what makes it really nice and compact and portable for wherever you are going. So I am going to close it up here and then place it inside of my bag, and I really like that because when you roll it up, it really doesn't take any space at all inside of this bag. As you can see here, it's off to the side, and I'm gonna start packing in here, and I can still fit all of my clothes and everything else on top. So I think that is super great. It's a nice space saver. So that's really, what I'm trying to show you guys here, some space saving ideas for when you are traveling. Here is something else that I bet you missed at Dollar Tree. Let me know if you didn't and you did actually see these, but these are at the checkout aisle. Whenever you are going to check out, they have it placed right there, so you might miss it. So make sure you really check the area really good for this, because this one is really nice as well for when you are traveling. It is a compact jewelry box, which I find really cute because I feel like they really thought nicely with this one, with the necklace holders, the ring holders, and earring holders. I think you have a compartment for every piece of your jewelry, and that's super great. This is also 125, and I do like to say that because Dollar Tree have put up their prices once again, so things, not everything is $1.25, but I like to keep it within the $1.25 category. So this is a great find for your travels as well. You can see I fit down all of my jewelry that I would like to take, and I just threw it right inside of my bag. And my friend, you can also use this as a mini first aid kit for your travels as well, because this is super nice. This is actually really nice to have when you are traveling, because once again, you never know when you might need a little first aid, and this is super small, so it literally fits anywhere, and I love it. And once we arrive at our destination, you can see how nice and easy it is to take out all of the stuff. I'm gonna show you guys here where I placed this little shower caddy, or hanging shower something. I don't know the exact name I would quite call it, but your hanging travel bag, because you can literally use it for anything. It doesn't have to be for the shower. You can see here there are hooks, and there's always hooks really in the bathroom of your hotel when you are traveling, so you can hang it there perfectly. And I just love it. You have everything you need, and literally so much stuff fits in here, and you don't have to go out buying anything or anything like that. So I love this idea and all of the ideas that I showed you today. Let me know which one was your favorite, and if you are going to try any of these, because I think they are great. So I hope you do too. And if you are still here, comment down below the word travel, and I will know that you made it this far into my video, which is truly and highly appreciated. So thank you so much, my friend, and I hope to see you on my next video. I hope you all have a great and amazing blessed Sunday, and I will see you on the next video. Take care and God bless.